Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix slow loading downloads folder in Windows. First method is open File Explorer. Right-click Downloads folder, click Properties, click Customize tab. Select General Items, check Also apply the template to all subfolders, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Change to small icons, click File Explorer options. Click View tab, uncheck Show Status bar, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.